Great seeing you here again in this new video in our masterclass in project management. Here we are creating the precedence diagram or the node diagram. This is an activity on the node precedence diagram, and we will start with the precedence information. Here we have the precedence information, and this is the same information that we had before. The precedence information is independent on the method that we are using to create the precedence diagram. We start again with the three first activities A, B, and C, which have no predecessor, so we can start with them at the beginning. First we have activity A, B, and then finally activity C. The next activity we're going to add is D, which is after A and B. So we draw the activity D and we draw the two arrows connecting activities A and B. Now we have activity E, which is after A. So we draw the activity E with an arrow from A to E. Then we come to activity F. Activity F has activities B and C as predecessors, so we have two arrows here. And we continue with activity G. Activity G with E and D as predecessors. Then we have H with D as a predecessor. And finally we have J with D and F as a predecessor. The thing that we have here is that when we see this, we have those hanging activities, and many people don't really like this. And what we're going to do is to add a start point or a start milestone, so we have a common point where the diagram starts, and we do the same for the finish. It's not necessary, but many people like it like this, so it's not a problem, it's not wrong. It's just that in some cases people say we put an activity in the front which has a duration of zero duration, which means it is a milestone. When you put it in a software, we find in fact that this shows immediately a milestone. So that's the things that I wanted to say about creating the precedence diagram. We have the PDM, the precedence diagramming method, which is a little bit easier, no dummy activities. That was it for this video. Let's continue, and I will see you soon in our next videos. Thank you and bye-bye.